So starting the test drive in this Ranger, pretty decent pickup, very easy to drive, I think. And I just love the overall feel behind the steering wheel. You have the 2.3 liter EcoBoosted 4-cylinder. Very good pull, very good pickup, and then just having the ability to change drive modes just makes it that much more capable, I think. Now here in the normal drive mode, it actually is quite peppy, and you don't really have a traditional like 4-wheel drive or anything like that, but I like that you get the slippery mode to kind of keep your throttle at bay. You have the eco mode as well to just maximize fuel economy, which also kind of does the same thing. But you really have several different drive modes that are very unique in their own way. And I like that you have that capability even in this base level trim. But I'm gonna give it a pull, a slight pull in eco mode. And I'll see kind of how it accelerates. So you still have the power there, but it's a nice pull from a stop. So even if you give it a tad bit of throttle, it's not gonna be off to the races like in the sport mode. And so far, the road noise is very good, ride quality is very good. And just overall, a very quiet driving experience with the eco mode, just driving down the road normally. So overall impressed with the eco mode, just how it's not like the older Nissans that kind of just almost like kill the engine trying to keep you from burning gas, but this just makes sense. If I can beat the rain, I'm gonna put it in a sport mode and take it on the interstate. So the sport mode is quite peppy that way. Coming out of that stop there, it was ready to go. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of space. And here we go. So just a tad there where the road's a little bit wet, tires were spinning. And again, I just kind of wanted to test the overall throttle response, which is very good for a 4-cylinder. Even though it's a mid-sized truck, very good pull. I'm gonna put it back in the eco. But overall, I think a pretty good truck for the money, especially for this to be under 35 grand. That's just, it's very good to get all of your standard features here, getting something that's relatively fun to drive and something that's relatively capable, having the tow package here. So probably for the money, it's at least up there with the base model Colorados and what you get standard, even the Tacomas. So if you're in the market for one of those trucks, definitely make sure you check this one out as well. And then if you're interested in finding the best deal in your neck of the woods, check out my link below in the description. Go ahead, just fill in your name, email, phone number, and then you'll get somebody to go ahead and give you more information on the vehicle you're looking for, whatever that may be. But thank you all for watching, and this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Ford Ranger XL STX.